freezing cold in the winter, I joined this tour on Friday afternoon. Eventually turn out I am the only one of the three that showed up after signing up. Probably too cold or windy, or people waiting for their Friday night out in bars. The tour is a serene one, quite quiet and peaceful. Not many audio description to the scenic spots along the river, but I bet this is just a reflection on the reality. Overall, I enjoy the tour, particularly with a hot drink obtained in the bar on the cruise parking nearby. Very pleasant tour, excellent view from the Vistula over Krakow. I really liked the view of Wawel Castle, which was simply incredible. Good value for money, an entire hour of cruising. At this time, beginning of August, the best time is early, is starting to get hot outside. Upper deck is best if it is not raining/not to hit. So great. There are no words to express how much happiness I felt on that day.